Hi there, welcome back to Metrics, where we do need to be SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about CPVLab, which is basically an ad tracker for affiliate media buyers, agencies and e-commerce sites. Okay, so first of all, we can see that the headline is very clear, right? And also, if we scroll down, we can see three really good testimonials with 5 stars each, right? Which is very good for credibility. However, it would be even more ideal if they added the actual name of the person giving this review and potentially their title and the company that they work for. Otherwise, it's not as powerful, to be honest. If we scroll down even more, we can see they go more in depth about how this software works. Basically, it is basically an ad tracker. Okay, and they basically talk about you can track your campaigns across all your channels, and you can then try and identify where most of your conversions are coming from. So this is really good for if you are someone who's very interested in tracking your ads. Here, they do more of what I've asked before, in the sense of they actually have a proper testimonial with the 5 stars, and here they talk about how they've been a loyal customer, they've been able to use it for 9 plus years, and basically it's also talking well about the customer support. But most importantly, it's got the name of the person and the actual title on the website, which is the most important. But if you scroll side by side, you can see more and more testimonials, which is good. And here, even more credibility in the form of all the brands that they're associated with. Right? So the Google Click Tracker certified, we've got an average rating of 4.9 on Capterra and more awards, which is good. And here they show how they can be integrated with all the other major networks. Here, they go more in depth about how it works. Okay, so it's good. And what they do well here as well is they've added a frequently asked questions section. And these are very helpful in order to handle any objection that a potential prospect might have before making a purchasing decision. It is good in order to remove as many concerns as possible that a prospect might have, and that will definitely increase your conversions indirectly by making sure that they can basically um, make a purchasing decision. Right? Okay, so if we scroll down, we've got more articles. We've got the locations, and then that is the end of the homepage. Okay, so this is cool. I guess they could have added a contact form at the top of the page as well in order to increase the opt-ins by simply giving an incentive like a lead magnet. And if we scroll on the pricing page, we can see that you have to select which option is right for you, and then I chose the one on the left, and self-hosted cloud. And you can see that the pricing is very clear as well, which is good. Each tier clearly explains every feature that is included in the respective pricing tier, and that's good. So prospect will have the power to make an informed decision. And just for completion, if we click on the CTA to make a free to have a free trial, okay, they take us back to this pricing page, and then that is it. Wait, hold on. Yeah, got they've got a video of how it works, which is good as well. I was thinking maybe an actual contact form for a free trial. Hmm. Oh well, no, they don't have a proper, contact form. I guess potentially if you go through the demo, they might get you one. And also here they've got a really cool comparison of the software against different ad trackers, what would say is potentially having a table on the homepage, summarizing most of these comparisons. It doesn't have to be in depth, but just giving um, an overview of why this software is particularly better than the other ad trackers in the market would be helpful as well to indirectly convert more customers and prospects. But other than that, this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you happen to be a SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials users to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call with me, and I'll see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.